Guys, I'm currently in an Egyptian supermarket. Let's carb it up, my friends. Thought I would do a quick room tour. Here she is, ready for Tour de France. Today we are on a cruise. Is this a cruise? Good morning everyone, welcome back to another little vlog. Today's vlog is a little bit different, as you can probably tell by the title. Today I'm actually going to Egypt, so our car is coming to pick us up in 15 minutes. We're all packed, all ready to go. Suitcases are all underweight. We get 20 kilograms, right? My suitcase is 19.99 kilograms. Little bit touch and go. Not gonna lie, that's my least favourite part about going to the airport, is the bag check-in, because I get so stressed that they're gonna be like, you need to take something out. Everything I've got in there, I need. I'm just about to make myself some quick breakfast and then we're gonna head off to Gatwick. This is my airport outfit. It's nothing really special. I'm literally going with my family, so I've not dressed up for the occasion. My top is obviously from Pretty Little Thing. This cardigan, I really like this. It's from Misguided. I think this would be perfect because when we come home, we land at like 3 in the morning, so it's gonna be cold. My leggings are these really comfy ones from Lounge. They're like stretchy scuba material. And then I'm just gonna whack on my Converse and I'm ready to go. So we're now at Gatwick Airport and we are just walking to our gate. We've just taken a quick couple of pictures and my hair looks so scraggly then. I've just straightened it this morning and I'm not used to straightening it anymore. But anyway, we've had breakfast. We went to Wetherspoons for breakfast, of course. Where else would you go in the airport? And we're now gonna walk down to the plane and then hop on the flight. I think it's a 6-hour flight, maybe 6.5, something like that. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna watch Game of Thrones, so I'm excited about that.
Smoking, including electronic cigarettes.
Hello everyone, welcome to Egypt. I'm officially here. It is day 1. When we arrived last night, it was fairly late. We just went straight to the all-inclusive buffet, literally neck pillows in tow. And then after we ate, we came and unpacked our suitcases, had a quick look around, and then it actually got to about 2 AM and I was like, I should probably go to sleep now. I was shattered. But it's the next day now, and day 1 of Egypt. Very windy, a little bit overcast, not gonna lie. It's only supposed to be cloudy for the next couple of days and then the weather's supposed to get really good. We tried sitting on the beach this morning to sunbathe and oh my goodness, it was like being in a sandstorm. So we've had lunch, we've come back to the room, got changed, and we're now gonna go out for a little walk. We're gonna walk like into the main town where we're staying. We're staying in a place called Hurghada, I think. I am gonna do a room tour later on because this room is huge and I'm the only one in it. So guys, it is the first night and this is my outfit for tonight. Why is my exposure so high? Han, what are you doing? Anyway, I've got this little cord on. This is from In The Style. I really like this. I've got it on just with these sandals. To be honest, I didn't bring any heels because they wouldn't fit in my case. So these are my mum's shoes, but these are from Nasty Gal. Is it gal or girl? Who knows? This is Billy Fair's collection from In The Style and I absolutely love it. My bag is just this little white one from Pretty Little Thing. This is pretty much the only bag I bought with me. And then for accessories, my clips are from Primark and my earrings are from, I want to say, Miss Selfridge. I have just got back to the room. I've taken all my makeup off. I've put my pyjamas on. I'm going to get my editing done and then I'm going to get to sleep because I didn't sleep very well last night. I kept dreaming that Egyptian snakes were coming out the toilet in my bathroom. And then I was awake at like 3 in the morning stressing that there were snakes in my room. I think tomorrow we're going to do a little bit of shopping, so I'm excited about that. And we've also booked a couple of exciting excursions today. The 2 things that I really wanted to do this trip we have booked, and we are also doing more than I was hoping for, so I'm definitely going to be bringing you guys along to that. But anyway, see you in the morning. Good morning everyone. So I've just been down for breakfast. This morning I went for, there's someone walking past my room. I got distracted. This morning I went for strawberry yogurt, a little bit of granola and a couple of bananas. The bananas are literally, oh hang on, I've got one here. Look how small this banana is. Literally in size comparison to my face. It's tiny. But anyway, I'm just about to head down to the beach, but I thought I would show you my outfit for today. So this bikini is from Pretty Little Thing. I've had this for quite a while, but they do still sell it. It's khaki green and black. I really like it. The bottoms are high-waisted, which I really like. I think high-waisted bikini bottoms just look really nice. And then my little beach cover-up is from Primark. You will have seen it in my Primark haul if you watched that. I don't love the colour of this, to be honest. Like, it's not my favourite. Don't mind my slippers in the background. Yes, I bought slippers to Egypt. Am I mental? I think so. Guys, I'm currently in an Egyptian supermarket. We've come out to the shopping centre. We're looking for some bubble bath so that we can have a bubble bath tonight. I think it's Egyptian for bubble bath. I don't know. I don't even know what the Egyptian for hello is. Oh, hang on. They actually look like bubble baths. Oh no, body wash. That looks like a pint of milk. Shower gel. No. What would they even call bubble bath? I doubt I was going to say bubble bath, is it? I found it. Wait, it says shiny and silky skin, bubbles of happiness. That must be it. Oh no, it says shower gel. Who needs a shower gel this big? Oh, there you go. Bath and shower foam. What flavour are you going to get? Because we've got all these options now. Wow, in all this big Egyptian supermarket, we've actually found some bubble bath. We're now on the search for crisps. Oh my god, there's so many types of oil. This supermarket is huge. We've found the crisps and the equivalent to Egyptian walkers. We've now entered the range section of the supermarket. This isn't your local Asda, this is amazing. We've got Mrs. Hinch's cleaning section. Do you need a little hat? Because we've got one. Or maybe an ironing board. Or some Cadbury's. Do you need some tinned soup? Or do you need a mattress? Because we've got both. After all that, they don't even take English money, obviously. But a lot of places in Egypt do take English money. It just happens that the supermarket doesn't. So we don't have any Egyptian money because we were told not to get any out. So we're just going to go and put this all back. Looks like there's no bubble baths for us tonight because we didn't bring Egyptian money to Egypt. So guys, I'm now back and I thought I would do a quick room tour. So this is the door where you come in, and as soon as you walk in, this is what you see. This room is absolutely massive. It's actually a family room, so through this door is my mum and dad's room. That's why it's so big. So if we walk along, first of all, to our left, we have the bathroom. Just quickly, this is what the bathroom looks like. Got a nice little shower in there. It's actually very dark. Also, yes, I've got cycling shorts on. That's a story for another day. And then over here is the sink, the mirror. Again, here she is, ready for Tour de France. I've got all my toiletries laid out. I have literally so much, it's unreal. And then if we come out of the bathroom, we have a full length mirror. Voila. This is the rest of the room. Obviously it's only me in here, so I'm only sleeping in one bed. They're really nice beds, though, really comfy. I like the headboard, super cute. We've got a little bedside table in the middle here with all my essentials on. And then over this way we have the patio doors, which leads out onto the balcony. I'll show you that tomorrow morning because it's dark right now. I've just got my suitcase, my beach bag. Then round this way we have my dressing table. Also bought a ring light because, again, I'm insane. Got a little kettle there for a few cups of tea. Got a banana that I found in my beach bag. Oh, that looks awful. And then this way we have the telly, and then out there is back to the corridor, and this is the wardrobe. So I have actually put my stuff in the wardrobe, so I'll show you that quickly now. It's such a big room, it literally feels like you're in an apartment. So starting off with this side, I've hung up like my nicer clothes that I bought. I didn't bring that many posh outfits with me. Bought a little dress. This cute little dress, I love this. These are all the shoes that I bought with me. And then this side of the wardrobe, we have my little tops here. These are all like my little crop tops. This pile is shorts and skirts. This pile is t-shirt, dresses and belts. And this is like a couple of nicer tops that I bought. Then we've got my safe in there. Just keep like my laptop in there during the day. And I think that is pretty much my room tour complete. That was fairly quick, fairly easy. I love that it goes out onto the balcony. Like I said, I'll show you that tomorrow. It's now the next morning and I thought, as promised, I'd quickly show you the balcony, even though none of you probably care, but whatever, I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm a rule breaker. So if we just open this up, this is my balcony. It comes out here. We've got a little table and chairs, not that you can really see it. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's all sandy on the floor. I mean, what was I expecting? I'm in Egypt, lol, I'm so uncultured. And then these doors are my mum and dad's room. So we've got their room, my room, and we are overlooking one of the pools and the sea. How beautiful does that look? We're gonna head down there today. Ta-da! Balcony tour complete. You're welcome, my friends. So guys, sorry the lighting isn't the best in here, but tonight we are going to the Italian restaurant. So in this hotel there is an Italian restaurant and a Mexican restaurant. Gonna have some sort of pasta, I reckon, maybe a little bit of pizza as well. Why not? It's all inclusive. I'm just wearing this really simple little white dress. This was from Pretty Little Thing. I really like it. It's got like a layer underneath. If you watched my outfits I'm taking on holiday video, you will have seen this in that video. Let's go and have some pasta. Let's carb it up, my friends. Good morning. So today is Friday and today we are going on a little excursion. By little I mean quite a big excursion because it's like an all-day thing. So today is going to consist of riding quad bikes through the desert. Very excited for that. Also like some kind of group buggy ride. So I think my entire family and like some friends will be in one buggy together going over the sand dunes and stuff. And then we have a camel ride, which is the thing I'm most excited about because personally for me a camel ride has been on my bucket list for ages. I don't know why. I just want to ride a camel. But anyway, I'm all ready now. By the way, today is why I was wearing cycling shorts the other day. I've just got this pretty little thing top on. I've got my little belt on. Look at me trying to be trendy when I'm on a camel, lol. And then I had to go into an Egyptian shop to get some cycling shorts. Actually very surprised that they did have them. There was quite a trendy shop there. I think it was like the Egyptian equivalent of New Look basically. We were told we had to wear long shorts and I only brought short shorts with me. But I think when you're like on the quads and on the camels, it can be quite uncomfortable. Gotta do what you gotta do when you're gonna ride a camel.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me. Be free.
Covered up half my face because I look horrific right now. So I thought if I can cover up half my face, that's half the problem solved. But anyway, the quad bikes were insane today. I enjoyed them so much. The camel ride as well. The only thing that was a bit questionable was the Jeep ride because the drivers were actual maniacs. I've got a little bit of a headache and I'm absolutely knackered. So I'm gonna have a shower, wash the sand out of my body and go to bed. So guys, it's been a few days since I updated you, but today we are on a cruise. Is this a cruise? It's called the cruise. Yeah, something be, yeah. Royal cruise or something like that. The boat goes to 3 different stops and at every stop you get off and go snorkeling. I'm not going to do that because I can't swim, so I'm just going to have a look. But we've got this bed like at the back of the boat. It's really hot today though, there's like no wind, so we are going to absolutely roast. But we've got some sun cream, so I'll be alright. And hopefully we're going to see some dolphins today, so I will update you if we do. But if not, well I guess there won't really be any updates. Fish. Let's see what happens. You'll see some fish.
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes, down deep and under. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong.
Not sure why my face looks so much more pale than the rest of me. Also love that I've got paler throughout this holiday because I fake tanned before I came. I said to the people I'm with, I was like, I'm the only person that's going to get more pale as the holiday progresses. I'm just a fake tan girl through and through. Anyway, my fake tan has rubbed completely off now and I'm not sure how I feel about it. I did bring it with me, but I think I'm not going to use it because I don't know. I feel like I'm going to naturally tan better without fake tan on, if that makes sense. Anyway, I'm very aware of how rough I'm looking because I've just woken up literally about 5 minutes ago. All I've done is shoved my hair up and brushed my teeth. But today is a pool day, so I thought I'd show you a bit of the hotel today because I realised that I haven't actually showed you that yet. I was editing this vlog last night and I was like, there's not really any context as to where I actually am staying. So yeah, gonna show you a bit of the hotel and let's go and have a nice chill day. We've only got 2 full days left, which makes me feel sad.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you.
So guys, it is our last day here today. We're just about to go down for breakfast. It's really early in the morning right now, but I got up this morning. I'm all packed, I'm all ready to go. My room is completely empty. I've just got my beach bag for the day. So weird to think that this time tomorrow I'll be in my own bed. Kind of a comforting thought, but also I'm going to be knackered because we land back at Gatwick at like 3 in the morning. Love that for us. I also bought some snacks that I don't want to waste because they are so expensive when you buy them abroad, so I'm going to take them down to the beach. This is going to melt in like 0.2 seconds. Shall I do a quick what's in my beach bag while I'm waiting? My dad's currently having a shower. Welcome, my friends, to this segment called What's in My Beach Bag. First of all, the most important, we have snacks. Then we've got sunglasses. I get quite a lot of questions about these sunglasses. I got them from the Sunglass Hut, but they're Tiffany ones. They look like this on the back. They just say T and Co. They've got some little diamond things in them. I don't know, they're cute. Then I have my phone, my towel peg so that my towel doesn't fly off my chair, a tangle teaser obviously, this little fan which I got on Amazon. It's an absolute lifesaver, especially when it's 37 degrees. Then I have a couple of lip protectors which I spoke about in my recent Q&A. Next up we have this from the Body Shop. This is the Skin Defense Multi Protection Face Mist. And the final three things are a cap, my earphones and some tissues. Also obviously take sun creams, but that's in my mum's bag. Thanks for watching What's in My Beach Bag. Goodbye room, you've been good to me. I'm currently down at the beach, just got down here. It's literally about 9:30, if that, and it's 37 degrees. But anyway, we're just gonna chill here. I need to eat my Galaxy before it melts. I'm literally concerned about that. It's just a waiting game today really, of when we need to leave and go and do this and that. But right now I'm gonna sit on my sunbed and I'm probably gonna listen to some podcasts because I've been enjoying doing that. I finished my book really early. I wish I bought 2. I read The Sea Sisters by Lucy Clark. It was so good.
Got my head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet across the border from a land of tears.
So guys, please excuse the state of me, but I am obviously now home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it wasn't the most exciting travel vlog ever, but that's mostly because it was a family holiday and obviously the people I went with didn't really want to be in the video, which is absolutely fine. For the most part, I just wanted to make this video for my own memories because I know I'm going to watch this back in the future and be like, oh my god, the camel day. But I hope you guys did enjoy it as well. And don't you worry, I have some very exciting travel vlogs that come in this summer. I think they're going to be a little bit more up your street if you didn't enjoy this one as much. I'm going away a couple of times with a few YouTubers and we are going to vlog properly. Let me know in the comments down below, what is the most adventurous thing you've ever done? Let's have a little chat about it. I want to hear your stories. But anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon with another video. Bye!